Hello grade 2, today is our last day, episode 3 in Math Subtraction, pages 124 to 128, week 8, Thursday, August 26, 2021. Good morning everyone. I hope you are having a nice day. Now get your math book. We are going to start our lesson.
Okay, now let's go to page 124. Let's solve the word problem. Here we have a word problem. And our word problem is how many adults are at the park. Let's fill in the numbers for the bar model. So this is the total number of people at a park. The yellow and the green. If you put two numbers here, that will be the total. So we write there 125 people at the park. And how many children? 25. Now, how many adults are there? That we will solve. I will get a piece of paper and put it here. Now, let us solve. 125 people. Take away 25 children. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. And bring down 1. Now, this is the number of adults at the park. So we can write 100 adults. So there are 100 adults at the park. Let's do the next one. Still the total is 125. And what is this big number here? This is the adults. 100 adults. And the missing part, 25 children, because this is a smaller portion. Smaller part, bigger, smaller. So we can say the missing there is 25 children. And we go to the next one. Fill in the missing number. There were 334 people in a sports hall at first. So that is the total number, 334. And then by evening, there were 124 people. So we put it here. Now, how many people left the sports bar? So how many? See, this is blank. So let us find out. Okay, now let us subtract. 334 minus 124. What will be the answer? 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 2, 2, 3, 1. 3 minus 1, 3. Let's start at 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. So it's 210. So we can write it here. 210 for the missing people. And 124 people that were there by the evening. And this is the total number. 124 plus 210 will give you 334. This one. How many people left the sports hall? 210 people. Now, we finish this one. We go to page 125. Okay. Let us complete. There were 254 sports cars parked at a shopping mall. 123 sports cars left the car park. How many cars were there left? So this is the total number of cars, 254. And 123 cars left the shopping mall, the car park. Now, how many cars were there? So how many cars now? Let's find out. First, we write 254 and then 123. And let us subtract. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. And 2 minus 1, 1. So we can write 254 minus 123 will give you 131. So there were 131 cars left at the car park. Okay, let's go to the next one. A sports shop sold 485 tennis balls last month. It sold 108 fewer basketballs than tennis balls. How many basketballs did the sports shop sell last month? So the tennis balls are 485. And basketballs were sold 108 less. So what is the total number of basketballs that were sold last month? Let's find out. So we can put it here. 485 and then 108. And let's subtract. 5 take away 8 cannot be. 8 is big number, 5 is small number. So we borrow from tens place. 8 will now become 7 and 5 will now become 15. So let's count. 8 in your mind. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's 7. And then 7 take away 0 is 7. 4 take away 1. 4 take away 1 is 3. Now this is the answer, 372. Oh no, 377. So 377. So we can write it here, 485 minus 108 equals 377. So the basketballs that were sold last month were 377. And we are finished for page 124 and 125. So now we can go to the next page, page 126. Okay, for page 126, we have here, Emily has 263 badges. Megan has 117 badges. How many fewer badges does Megan have than Emily? Let's find out. So Emily has 263 badges. And Megan has 117 badges. So how many fewer badges does Megan have than Emily? So it's missing here. So let's find the missing number. So 263 minus 117 let's solve. 3 take away 7 cannot be. So we borrow from the tens place. 6 will now become 5. And 3 will now become 13. So 7 in your mind. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6. 5 take away 1, 4. 2 take away 1, 1. So the answer is 146. And we can write it 263 minus 117 will give you 146. So Megan has 146 fewer badges than Emily. Let's go to the next one. Letter D. Mr. Lim has 500 chickens and 382 ducks. How many more chickens than ducks does he have? Okay, so let's find out. You have here 500 chickens. And then he has 382 ducks. So let's find the missing number. How many more chickens? So we can write 500 minus 382 will give you, let's compute. 0 take away 2 cannot be. So we borrow from the tens place. It's still 0, so we borrow from the hundreds place. 5 will become 4, and 0 from tens place will become 10. Now, 0 from ones place can borrow from tens place. So 10 will become 9, and 0 from 10 and from ones place will now become 10. We can count. 8 take away 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8. And then 9 take away 8, 1. 4 take away 3, 1. So the answer is he has 118 chickens more than ducks. So we can write it 500 minus 382 equals to 118. Now we can go to the next page, page 127. Janice helped her teacher to paste 363 stars. She pasted 155 stars more than Huling. How many stars did Huling paste? Let's find out. First, you put 363. Then, she pasted 155 more stars than Huling. So how many stars did Huling paste? Now let's subtract. 3 take away 5 cannot be. So we borrow from the tens place. 6 will become 5 and 3 will become 13. So let's count. 5 in your mind. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8. And then 5 take away 5, 0. 3 take away 1, 2. So that is the answer. 208. We can write 363 minus 155. It will give you 208. So Huling pasted 208 stars. Now, let's do the last one for page 127. A fruit seller had 584 durians at first. He sold 225 durians on Monday. Then he sold 136 durians on Tuesday. How many durians does he have now? Okay, let us solve. We have here 584 durians. He sold 225 durians last Monday. So let us subtract this first one. 4 take away 5 cannot be, so we borrow. 8 will now become 7 and 4 will now become 14. 5 in your mind? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 9. So we write here 9. 7 take away 2. 7 take away 2 is 5. 5 take away 2 is 3. Now, he had 359 durians left, but he sold 136 durians on Tuesday. So let's subtract again. 136. 9. 9 take away 6. 5. 6. 3. And then 5 take away 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. And then 3 take away 1. 2. So the fruit seller had 223 durians left. So we can write 584 minus 225 minus 136 will give you 223. So the fruit seller has 223. And we are finished for this page. Let's do the next one. Okay. This is the last one. Page 128. Mr. Lee sold 156 jackfruits on Monday. He sold 89 fewer jackfruits on Tuesday. How many jackfruits did he sell on Tuesday? So the question is, how many jackfruits did he sell on Tuesday? Okay, given information, we have here 156 jackfruits on Monday. And then he sold 89 jackfruits on Tuesday. So let's solve. We write 156 minus 89. 6 minus 9 cannot be. We borrow. 5 will become 4. 6 will become 16. Now we can count. 9 in your mind. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 7. 4 take away 8 cannot be. So we borrow from 1. 1 will become 0. And 4 will become 14. Now we can count. 8 in your mind. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6. So the number is 67. So he sold 67 jackfruits on Tuesday. So we can write 156 minus 89 equals 67. So he sold 67 jackfruits on Tuesday. That's it. He sold. Okay, we can check the number or the answer by adding the two numbers, 89 and 67. So 89 plus 67, we have 9 plus 7, 9. In your mind, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's 156. So we are done for today. I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.